Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's tip is to create your personal portfolio website. Majority of designers out there just put their work on Behance and on Dribbble, and by doing that you're actually competing with all of these other designers because clients can browse your work and then simply move on to other designers' work, and if they're better than you, they're going to simply hire them. By having your personal portfolio website, you can actually guide your clients to what you want them to see. You can present your work in a nice and organized manner in all of these different pages. You can present your design process, for example, from research and how do you research your projects. You can walk them through step by step about, for example, paper wireframes, about design in, let's say, Adobe XD, about how you come up with these different design ideas, how you do your research, how you do your planning, how do you do your presenting, how long does it take you to create these projects and what's involved in these projects. And of course, you can leave a direct contact form just below all of those works on any other section of your page. By having a contact form on your page, you're actually allowing your client to contact you directly, because on some of these websites like Dribbble and Behance, it's not always obvious to clients how can they contact you, because they have to go through these messaging systems and so on, and if they don't have an account, they have to create an account and so on. So all of these things are reducing your chances of actually getting hired and actually getting contacted by the client. So make sure to have your personal portfolio website. It's really a must for every single designer out there. When you're getting started, it's not really a mandatory. You can create a portfolio on Behance or on Dribbble, but as soon as you get some traction, as soon as you get some work behind your belt, you can create a portfolio website, and it's going to really transform your career because it's going to make you look more professional and it's going to make your work look more polished, because you're actually going to structure it to fit your portfolio website. In terms of hosting, you can host your website on sites like WordPress, Squarespace, Webflow and stuff like that. And one key thing which I want to point out is have a professional email address. When you're getting started, majority of designers are going to just use either a Gmail or a Yahoo email address, but make sure as soon as you get some traction, especially when you create your personal portfolio website, to have a professional email address. You can purchase that by going to Google's G Suite, and I found that they are really an affordable option, and you can also get an extension to your Gmail package. So for example, you're not limited with files, you can then share files, you can create different video calls, for example, for Google Meet, for example, and stuff like that. So just make sure wherever you are trying to purchase this premium email address, make sure to create it by your own name if you're going for personal branding, or if you're going for a brand name like we have at Webdonut, for example, then our email address is hello@webdonut.net, and yours can be either something like that or hello@personal email or hi@your email or something like that, but it just gives that professional edge to your overall look and to your portfolio. So having a designer portfolio on your own website is really a key to getting high quality clients and really a key to stand out from the competition, because as I said, when you're getting started, it's fine to use Behance and Dribbble, but as soon as you get some traction, having your personal portfolio website is really a must. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship, and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.